Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In this video, we will see how we can edit the product. Why? Because we have already completed, hopefully this one. Let's try to see it. Yeah, we have already completed this admin thing. And when you click on this edit, so right now it is going to something details page. We need to change the link of that one. Here when I click on this edit product page, so now what we need to do is we need to show a edit product form and we need to pre-populate all the details which are having here. So we need to pre-populate these things and we need to show this edit product form. Now what I will try to do is I will try to reuse the same template, so which we are using for the add product. I will reuse the same template for the edit product also. But here what I will try to do is, so here I will be changing this add product to edit product. And I will pre-populate all the values that are available for the product to edit it, and I will change the label of value of this button also to edit product. So depending on the condition, if you are coming from an edit page means it will behave it like an edit product page. If you are coming from an add product means it will behave it like an add product. So let's try to do it. So I am keeping this name as add product only. I am not trying to change it. Now let's go on to this one. First, let's move on to this product list.ejs, and here if edit is there, then what I need to do, slash products, okay, slash products slash edit, and we need to pass this product ID. It's fine. Now let's go on to this admin.js, and here somebody comes like router dot get of slash products slash edit. And we can, there is no need for us to add a products. Why? Because already it is added from the main app.js. So here I can say that get edit product page. So this method is not created. Let's go on to this product controller in the admin, and here I will be adding exports dot get at edit product page, and this one gets request and a response. Sorry, request and a response. These are all the things you people are already aware of this one. So that is the reason I am moving little bit fast. So get edit product page. Let's try to import this one. Yeah, so we have imported. And in the product controller, what I need to do now? So we need to get this add product like this, right? So this same thing I want to render it, but the same thing I will let's copy. But here before rendering, I want to get an ID. So how we can get an ID? In our admin.js edit slash. So this is a dynamic one, right? Product ID. I am using this product ID. Why? Because in the product list I am setting a dynamic product ID. So because of that reason, so here I am taking a param product ID, and here the param, how can I get? Constant product ID. Sorry, product ID is equal to request dot params dot product ID. Okay. So we got the product ID. Now what I want to do, so I want to get the product by ID. So I want to fetch the details of the product details. So with that product ID, and after getting the product, callback, and I need to execute this method. Simple. So I can execute this method. So this time I will keep a flag such that edit is true, and here we can change the page title to edit product, and we need to send the product value. Okay, the same product value, we need to send the product value. And here what I will try to do is this one as edit as false. Okay, so this one is not an edit product. So this one is edit as true. Now let's go on to this add product. So now we need to modify the template in such a way that when we are trying to get come from the add product page means it should act as an add product, or when we are coming from an edit product page means then it should act as an edit product. Let's go on to this add product, with which I can assume that this one add product or edit product. Yes, correct. So we can use edit. If edit is there means then I need to show edit product, or otherwise I can show this add product. Okay. So we need we also want to change this action also. Afterwards we'll change it. So now I want to pre-populate the values. Value is equal to, and here I can add a condition. Edit is there means then I need to update product dot title, or otherwise it should be empty. That's it. But here I need to give an is equal to, so that we can echo the values. Echo means it's a PHP word. we can show the values. Okay, shell or PHP, whichever it is. So here what I can say, I can copy this value and here I can paste it. So here I need to show image, and the same thing here also we can paste it for the price, and I can show the price here. Sorry, price. Now the last one is decoration. So here, sorry, description, and here there is no need for us to add the value. Why? Because we need to add it as a content, not as a value attribute, not for the value attribute. So here I can use description. That's it. Now edit product also will try to change it. So is equal to, if edit is there means I need to show edit product instead of add product for the button, or otherwise you can show the add product. That's it. So only one thing we need to change is, you need to remember that form action also will change it with the condition only. That's it. So here also you need to keep the is equal to. So that's it. So we are pre-populating all the details, and we are able to get those all details here from the product controller. So add product, and this is the product details we are getting. So whereas here we are getting only the edit as false, and we don't have any product details. We are not getting any product details. Now if you go on to this one, so let's refresh this page, and we are on the add product, and you am in the home page. I am in the add product. It's working without any fine, without any problem. So here admin, and I am clicking on the edit product. So now if I click on the edit product, see, I am able to pre-populate the values as the same project, as the same template. I am able to use it. But now this time, whatever the product I am trying to edit it, I am able to highlight it here. If you go to the admin again, if I try to edit on the sample product 2, see here, I am able to see the sample product 2 details also. So this is how we can use the same template, add product.js. If you want, you can rename this file name so that it will be somewhat easy to understand. So the same template, how we have used for the product list, in the same way we have used this add product both for the add product page and also the edit product page. So this is how we have did. Now in the next section what we will do is, so now whatever the product details we are having, we are able to highlight it in the respective text box or form controls. Now what I want to do is, whatever the user changes here, so I need to update the product details in the product.json file. So that is the main thing, you need to understand it. So this is all about the edit product page. So if you want this code and all those things, so this code is already hosted in the github.com/Leela Narsimha. So you can able to go here, and in this one you will be able to see Node Express app. So this is our project. So here whatever the video I am trying to sell, I am trying to tell 11th video, 13th video like this. So you will be able to find respective video number, the project code. So you can go to that branch and you can get the details. So this is all about the edit product page. So in the next page, we will try to see how we can save this edit product page in the product.json file. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.